On Cloud shoes na perfect for the ladies, and I will discuss later what type of shoes this. Once again, this is Lex, your sneaker specialist of Collector Finds. This is the Cloud Runner 2 in Silver Mauve colorway. Dito makita natin, very grayish brown yung color niya and may touch of pastel pink here and here. Kaya perfect to sa mga ladies na ayaw masyado madumi yung shoes nila, pero may pagka-pink pa rin. Ayan. So dito makikita natin may CloudTec technology, and then here the ON logo here, and then sa heel tab. Yan. So this is perfect for running shoes and also walking. Some of them are also using this for lifestyle shoes, kaya whichever would you like, pwede walking, running, or either lifestyle. This pair also have a lot of colorways and meron din siyang waterproof. Kaya kung naghanap ka nito, meron yan si Collector Finds. So make sure message mo na sila bago ka pang maubusan.